Imagine knowing exactly how to trade the markets profitably, but you only have $500 in your bank account. Even if you make a brilliant 10% return in a month, you only made $50. It is incredibly frustrating, right? But what if a wealthy financial company handed you $100,000 of their own money to trade with and let you keep up to 90% of the profits? Sounds like a scam or a fantasy, but it is a very real, massive industry. It is called prop firm trading. However, there is a major catch, and if you don't know what it is, you will lose your chance before you even begin. I'm Sina, and I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free video explaining hard subjects in short, clear format every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. So, what exactly is a prop firm? It stands for proprietary trading firm. In simple terms, these are companies that have millions of dollars in capital, but they need skilled people to trade it. Think of it like a professional sports team holding tryouts. They have the stadium and the equipment, but they are looking for the best athletes to put on the field. Instead of risking your own hard-earned savings, you trade the company's money. You can trade forex, crypto, or popular market indices. Speaking of which, if you don't have capital to trade and want a most reliable and trusted prop firm to start trading this index without capital, check out my Funded Next link in the description for personal support from me and my team, and start making money from trading right now. Now, remember that catch I mentioned earlier? They don't just hand over $100,000 to anyone who asks. You have to pass a test. This is called the evaluation phase. To pass, you have to prove two things. First, that you can actually make a profit, and second, and this is the most important part, that you know how to manage risk. Prop firms have strict rules called drawdown limits. This simply means the maximum amount of money you are allowed to lose. If your account drops below that specific limit, you failed the test and lose your account. They do this to protect their capital from reckless gamblers. They want disciplined traders, not lottery players. Once you prove you can follow the rules and hit the profit target, you become a funded trader. From that point on, you keep the vast majority of the money you make, and the firm takes a small cut for providing the capital. It is a win-win situation. Trading is a journey, and you don't have to walk it alone. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried passing a prop firm challenge, or is this your first time hearing about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love connecting with you guys. Also, if you want to know what are the best crypto projects that you can invest and their investing potential, check out the video and playlist you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.